Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to round numbers or how to use a round formula in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So we know the formula of mathematics is that if the next values is 5 or more than 5, the values will be round. So we will use round formula to round the values. So here we will write is equal and round. So after selecting the formula, press tab button. So after that, click on the values. So after selecting the values, here we use comma, and then here we will write 1 2 or 3 or any number so on which you want to round. So if you want to round by one decimal number, so here we will write 1. So after that, close bracket, so then press enter. So you can see the values is rounded. So if you want to round other values, so just place the cursor on the bottom right side of the cells and then drag to the lower end. You can see all values are rounded. So if you will write here 2 is equal and round. So select the number, and in this case we will use 2. So in this case the 2 decimal number will be at. So after that, press enter. So you can see the values are rounded by 2 number. So if you want to round even number, so just use again is equal round. So after that, select number and use comma, and for rounding the even number use 0. After that, close the bracket and press enter. So you can see all values are rounded by even number. So guys, in this way you can round numbers in Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.